Hi, welcome back everyone. This is Matthew Cox. Today I'm going to be reviewing some of the best circular saws. After doing research, I found these circular saws that are truly the best on the market right now. I've embedded the links to the products in the video description so that you can check them out. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. DEWALT DWE575SB Lightweight Circular Electric Saw. This DEWALT is very durable and makes life easier. Everyone knows the worst part of corded saws is that the cord pulls out too often. However, this saw features a tough cord system. The tough cord provides 3 times the resistance to pullouts than your average corded circular saw. This saw also features an electric brake that stops the blade automatically when you release the trigger. This makes the saw safer overall and also lets the user make repetitive cuts faster. And best of all, when you order this saw, you get everything you need. It comes with a blade wrench, a carbide-tipped 7 1/4-inch circular saw blade, and a contractor blade. It also comes with an instruction manual that's easy to understand and makes it super easy to use the saw. Rockwell RK3440K Versacut Circular Saw. This Versacut from Rockwell is super compact, which comes in handy in big projects when you don't want to be carrying around a big saw. Its real standout feature, however, is its built-in laser indicator. The indicator helps you line up the perfect cut every time. It also has an easy-to-set depth of cut indicator. The depth of cut indicator helps you ensure that your cuts are the right depth and not too deep or too shallow. Lastly, the saw is very ergonomic. It has a slim and comfortable grip, which makes it easier to maneuver, even with just one hand. It also enhances grip and maximizes comfort. I first used this saw on a very small project just to test it out. Needless to say, I was very impressed, and it has become one of my all-time favorite saws. It's definitely one of the lightest and has cut through all types of stuff with no problems at all. Rockwell RK3441K Compact Circular Saw. This 4 1/2-inch saw from Rockwell is another very compact saw. It weighs 50% less than your average 4 1/2-inch circular saw. Don't let the small frame of this saw fool you though. Thanks to its 5 amp and 3500 RPMs, it can keep up with the big dogs. It also features a dust port, which helps keep your workspace clean and your line of sight clear. Lastly, Rockwell has gone out of their way again to make sure their saw is comfortable and easy to use. This saw has a slim handle that improves grip and makes cutting through wood like cutting through butter.